So hello everyone, once again welcome to another video. In this video I am going to tell you how to get education loan, especially for studies in Italy. Okay, because as you know that getting education loan for Italy, it is very difficult task, because everyone know that Italy is providing free education for everyone. Then why should we give education loan, right? Even I have faced this problem, but finally I got my education loan through the State Bank of India. So in this I am going to tell you what are the process we have to follow and what are the things we have to keep in mind, so that whatever I did the mistake you should not do. Okay, and friends, in this we have to keep 2 points in our mind while going for education loan. The first one is that if your requirement is above 7 lakhs or your requirement is below 7 lakhs. Okay, if you are going for above 7 lakhs, then in this case you have to show your property or home or anything as a proof to the bank manager. Okay, because they need some surety. Okay, and if your requirement is below 7 lakhs, okay, then they are not going to ask any proof or property or surety. But in this case also you should have some property, either your home or some other property, because the bank manager will come to our house and they will take the photos just to make sure yes you have some property, but they will not ask like all the documents to give them as a surety. Okay, this is the rule for State Bank of India, and I don't know whether it is for all banks or not, but make sure whether it is right or not. Okay, and how you will decide like you need above 7 lakhs or below 7 lakhs. For example, if your tuition fees and living expenses is exceeding more than 7 lakhs, then you can go for above 7 lakhs loan. And if you, in case if your like tuition fees and living expenses is below 7 lakhs, okay, then you can go for below 7 lakhs. Okay, so these are the two things, and I will later tell you means how to see living expenses and all. So friend, based on these two, the bank manager will decide what type of loan he want to give you. Okay, and next we have to meet to the bank manager. Before meeting to bank manager, we have to provide them two certificates. The first one is that your offer letter from the university, and the second one is that you have to show like expenses, whatever expenses are there, for example tuition fees and hostel fees, everything you have to show them. Okay, because this is the main problem for Italian student, because in Italy we will not get exact information on like tuition fees. For example, if you see for other countries like UK, Australia, Canada, there if they are getting admission letter, then it is clearly mentioned in their offer letter that their tuition fees for 2 years is like 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs, and for living expenses it is like 5 lakhs per month, and everything they have clearly mentioned. But when it comes to Italy, they will not mention it clearly, because we have a scholarship and everything. So no university is mentioning in a clear way like for 2 years your tuition fees is this and living expenses are this. But in this case I will show you how to manage this, because this is the main problem and where I get stuck, and due to this my education loan get delay because of this reason. So here I am going to tell you what are the documents needed for the education loan, because as I told you that admission letter and expenses letters are very important. So friends, I am going to give you one example from Politecnico di Milano. This is very important for education loan, because if you don't have this, not only from Polymi, if you don't have this from any university, then it is very difficult to get education loan. Okay, first of all we have to download this fees course structure from the university website. You can download it from your university. Okay, because this is for like master degree for Polytechnico the students, and I downloaded this for my course. Okay, so here as you can see that this is Laura Magistrale program, this is master program, and my academic year was 21-22, and the whole program is 2 years, because it is necessary when you are applying for the loan. They will ask what is the duration of program. Okay, and like when my program is going to end, means it is about 2024 I will complete my degree. And here are some course structure that is not mandatory for bank manager. The bank manager will see here, as you can see, the tuition fees. Okay, if you see for like mostly Italian university, they don't provide like okay for 1 year the tuition fees is this, and for second year the tuition fees is this, because we have a scholarship. So there is a like some very huge problem for the Italian students whoever want education loan. Okay, for example Politecnico di Milano, my tuition fees is approximately 3,898, approximately 4,000 euro per year. Okay, here it is a tuition fee, but they didn't mention clearly. For example, they have shown the first installment is approximately 900 euro. Okay, and the second installment is calculated based on economic income. For example, they have given different things like how income level and all these things. So here you can see, because we have some credits and contributions and everything, so based on credit systems the Italian university will provide a scholarship. Okay, so for these reasons I got stuck in the middle while filling the application form, but later I mentioned clearly in the application form. I will tell you how to do application form, and also in this they have shown me only for 1 year. As you can see, this is the tuition fees for 1 year, and they didn't mention anywhere for the second year. Okay, so by this the bank manager got confusion because he's saying that your course is for 2 years and you didn't, and the admission letter and offer letter they are showing fees for only 1 year. Why it is like that? Why this is too much of confusion? So I manage this and I will tell you later. You have to be very clear in this type of things like cost of living and everything, because if you do not show this, then the bank manager will not give any amount. Okay, because this is very important, the cost of living and the tuition fees. So as I told you that Italian university we have very problematic things in the fees structure and all, but I will tell you how to fill the application forms without any problem, so that you can get the education loan without any concern. Okay. So friends, after meeting to the bank manager, then we have to log in through the Vidya Lakshmi portal, because this is the platform where Indian government is providing education loan. So we have to log in with this. Okay, after logging in this, we have to fill the application form. Okay, and I will show you, because this is my already I have login, and I will show you how to fill the application form. So I'm going for my application status, and okay, I will download my application. Means I'm just want to show, for example. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so this is my application form. Okay, this is my application form, as you can see here. So in this you have to fill the application form in a very clear way. For example, this is not mandatory for you. So here the main important thing is that, for example, these are particulars of course which loan is required. This section is very important. For example, here we have to see, means whether under merit or management, means how we are going to study there. Okay, and while filling the form for the education loan in Vidya Lakshmi portal, we have to be very clear in this, because the particulars of course for which loan is required, it is very important, friends. Then here we have to whether the under management quota or merit based, for means how you get the admissions with the management quota or based on the merit based. So obvious Italian students who are applying for Italian university, they are getting through merit base. Yes, and here the name of the institute and name of the course, the duration of the course, and date of commencement and everything. Okay, and the next one is that cost of financial details. This is very important, because here I did mistakes, and because of this I got 1 month delay in my education loan, because I did some mistake here. So I am saying you here don't do some mistakes, because whatever I did you have to be very clear in this. Okay, and for example our course is for 2 years. Okay, then what are the expenses in first year and what are the expenses in second year, and this is for if someone is for bachelor and for other degree they can also fill this. So what I did mistake last year is that I simply wrote, okay, I want 7 lakhs of Indian rupees as education loan. I simply fill something. Okay, but we should not fill in this way. First example, in the first year, what is the tuition fee for the first year? Okay, I have kept in INR. Okay, for example, tuition fees for the first year was 78,800. Okay, and for the second year is 0. Okay, and the exam fees is 15,000 for first year and 15,000 for second year. And stationery is this much, and computer and laptop, you can also fill this form for computer and laptop. You will get money for if you want to buy laptop. Okay, no problem at all, because they will give. And also hostel expenses, means hostel expenses for first year it is this much and second year is this much, and travel I have paid for this, and total for first year it is coming approximately 4,35,000, and for the second year it is coming 2,45,000. So if you see the total for the first year and second year, then the total loan requirement is 6,80,000. Okay, and friends, while filling this form, for example tuition fees, whatever you are filling here, okay, just remember whatever you are filling here, the tuition fees or exam fees, everything should be matches with the expenses letter whatever you have in your academic. Okay, for example friends, I will show you the tuition fees, whatever I have filled in that Vidya Lakshmi portal. My tuition fees I had paid for the first installment was 895 euro. Okay, so I converted it into INR and I fill there for the first year, and for the second year I kept 0, as you can see here. Okay, because here in my expenses letter they didn't mention anything about the second year. Okay, as you can see I kept 0. Okay, so please do not keep anything. If you keep anything, for example for second year also, if you keep tuition fees, then the bank manager he will check, okay, for second years in his admission letter or in his expenses letter there is no tuition fees, then why kept 0? So again there will be problem for you. Okay, and also the exam fees, books and everything I have kept from here. For example, if you see here, okay, for example they have given for study cost approximately 40 euro per month. Okay, so I calculated in this way, and also the transport I have calculated with this 22 euro per month, and also like a price of standard menu for food and all, and for this is for like hostel. Okay, so by this I have kept in the details. Okay, so whatever is there, just match, it should be matched with the expenses letter, otherwise there will be very problematic for you. The bank manager will get confusion and they will simply reject. Okay, so additionally if you want to buy laptop or computer with the help of education loan, you can buy, no problem at all, because I have added and I bought this laptop with the education loan only. So this is the things we have to keep in mind while applying for education loan. Okay. And friends, after filling the form in the Vidya Lakshmi portal, we have to meet to the bank manager with all the documents whatever it was in the Vidya Lakshmi portal. And after that the bank manager will verify it, okay, and after that the bank manager will send their officers to your home because they will take photos of your property wherever it may be. So in this case it will take maybe 2 to 3 weeks, okay, and after that if everything is okay, then the bank manager, they will sanction your education loan, and with the sanction letter you can show for your visa or you can show for your study purpose and everything, okay. Just remember, don't totally depends on this sanction letter, because sometimes due to some issues it will get delay. Because in my case I was totally depending on this education loan. I was thinking that okay, I will take this education loan and I will show this as a fund, but due to some, as I told you, due to some reasons it got delay. What I did is that I borrow some money from my relatives and I show for visa purpose, and later after getting my visa and all, then I got my sanction letter after 1.5 months for you. So what I am suggesting is that please do not depends on this education loan for your visa purpose, because if you depends on it will get delay, so you will not get exact date and time for your education loan, okay, but definitely you will get the education loan, okay. So after that, getting the education loan, you can simply repay that and you can use that money wherever you want, okay. Now so when coming for laptop, for example, if you kept amount for laptop, then they will release the money. For example, they will not directly, first of all, they will not give you directly money to buy laptop. First of all, we have to show the bill. Whether you can purchase the laptop or you can show the bill to the bank manager, or you have to take statement. For example, I have bought from Reliance, okay. First of all, I went to the Reliance and I then a statement for example, I want to buy this laptop, and I take the statement from the Reliance and I give to the bank manager, and then that bank manager directly transfer that money into the Reliance, and later I purchase the laptop. So these is the things we have to keep in mind while going for education loan. I am repeating again and again, please do not totally depends on the education loan, because it will get delay. As you know, banking systems, everything, because they will receive lots of low education loan and everything, so it may delay. I am saying it may delay. So if you totally depends on this education loan, then your visa may get late, okay. So just borrow some money from your parents or some relatives and start your visa process. So after that, definitely maybe 1 month or 2 months you will get your education loan. So with that you can manage with the things, okay. So this is the things what I want to say in this video. So in my further videos I will make like what are the documents needed for like scholarship, and also I will show my documents whatever I kept for the scholarship, because many of you asking to make video on the scholarship also. It is very urgent, so definitely I will update soon about the scholarship also. So friends, see you in my next video. Bye bye.